Hey guys, what's up? This is JRP77 from JG Games, and welcome to my new series called VGSS. The entire purpose of this episode is just to explain what this series is about and what we're going to be doing over the next year. So stick around. So I've titled this series VGSS for a very specific reason, because it's an acronym for Video Game Short Story. Now, what does that mean? Basically, here's the way that I see most video games that are made today, or at least the ones that are really popular nowadays. So on one side, you have the high-action multiplayer games, like Fortnite, like Call of Duty, Battlefield, Rocket League, Overwatch. The whole purpose is a game that you can sit down and play for a couple minutes and be satisfied with. You can play 1 game, 2 games, 3 games. The entire idea is that you don't have to play for that long. So these multiplayer games are designed so that you play for a very short period of time, but yet still be satisfied when you stop playing. Then the other side of the spectrum, you have story-based games, so like BioShock, Half-Life, Skyrim, games like that, which take a really long time to complete, and you really don't feel satisfied until you finish the game. Because that's the entire point. It's like one giant movie, and you're going through all the steps, and you're acting as the character, and you're finding out all these different things, so that when you finish the game, you are left satisfied. And those are the best story-based games, are the ones that you can play for a long time, and then once you finish, you are completely satisfied. Or maybe unsatisfied. I don't know. What I want to do is something that's never really been done in the video game community, and that is to make a video game short story. Hence the title, Video Game Short Story, as an acronym. Because what I see is games like BioShock and Skyrim, games that you have to put a lot of time into to finish the story. But those games aren't as successful as games like Fortnite, where you can sit down and play 1 game, maybe win a game right there, and you can leave satisfied. I've decided that I'm going to make a video game that is basically a short story. It's going to be a game that you can play for a short period of time and enjoy. I want to make a game where you can sit down and play for an hour and a half and go through an entire story, like a regular movie. And also, I really don't have the resources to make a giant game like Activision, BioWare, companies like that have all the time in the world to make. And so, because I actually really want to make a game, I'm also going to be documenting the entire process. I talked about this a little bit in my last video, but there is a YouTuber named Devin Crawford, and basically what he does is every time he works on a project, he documents how he works on the project. I'll link his channel in the description below. You guys should definitely go check him out. He has some awesome content. Basically, every week he makes 1 video, and then he puts like the dates as to when he worked on something, and he records for a week, edits all together, puts it into 1 video. So that's what we're going to be doing, is we're going to be documenting the entire process, going from step 1 all the way to step like 3000 of how to make a video game. And I'm going to document the entire process, how I did the modeling, how I did the scripting, all of that, how I worked on everything, so that you guys can kind of see what it's like to generally make a video game. It's always been my dream to make a video game, and I've noticed over the past couple weeks that I've never made a video game, but yet I'm teaching you guys how to make video games. So I want to change that by making an actual video game, like this short story that I plan on making. So I plan on putting out one of these videos alongside a tutorial every single week. So the tutorials will stay at the regular time on Saturdays at 11 a.m. Eastern, and now this new series will start on Wednesday at 11 a.m. Eastern. So next week, a week from this time this video is uploaded, at 11 a.m. Eastern, there will be a new VGSS where we will go through brainstorming and stuff like that. But I don't want to spoil anything of what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to let you guys wait and see what that is. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I've never really done something like this, and so I'm kind of branching out and seeing if you guys like this, because I think I'm going to really enjoy making an actual video game. If you think this series idea sucks, then you know what to do. But if you think it's kind of cool, don't forget to drop a like and maybe subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out our website, social media, and merch, as well as our community Discord server. All of those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.